Top 5 Best Interactive Whiteboards. Number 5. Chengying 86-inch Multi-Touch 10 points. The Chengying option isn't actually an interactive whiteboard or smartboard. Rather, it's a frame that can be placed around pretty much anything, allowing you to write or draw within its borders. Whatever's written within its borders is saved and remembered for later on. This device is useful if you already have a large screen or projector and wish to annotate or write directly on it during a presentation. It's quite inexpensive too, so you can easily save a lot with this option. Coming in number 4. Interactive Smartboard SBX 885. This is one of my favorite models of these digital whiteboards. Smart Technologies offer two flagship products, one board designed specifically for educators, teachers, and the other for business professionals. Both models use the Smart Technologies custom-built OS called IQ, but the devices also work seamlessly with Microsoft and Apple. They offer three types: GX, MX, and 6000S series. The GX is the simplest model, which basically just works as a basic interactive whiteboard without any frills. There isn't a whole lot of difference between the MX and 6000S models, however. Both are high-quality smartboards, but the 6000S is more high-powered, with in-glass screen technology and better brightness to display high-resolution images. Coming in number 3. Ipevo IW2. The IW2 wireless interactive whiteboard is a very different type of product compared to the Vibe and Surface Hub that may better suit certain situations. Unlike the others, it's not a computer or tablet device with an interactive display. The Ipevo is actually three devices: a sensor cam, an interactive pen, and a wireless receiver. These devices act together to create an interactive projection. Think of it as a portable projector that you can display on any flat surface and interact with using a special pen. One major convenience using the Ipevo interactive whiteboard is that it's extremely portable. The three devices are quite small and easy to transport around. However, like all projectors, the obvious limitation here is that you need a darkened environment to see it clearly. Coming in number 2. Microsoft Surface Hub 2. While I'm personally no fan of Microsoft or its Windows operating system, the Surface Hub is still one of the most reliable and trusted digital whiteboard models for teachers and students. The Surface Smart Whiteboard hardware is easily some of the best on the market for the modern classroom, with solid support and compatibility. Because it's Microsoft, you have instant familiarity if you've ever used Windows before, making it more user-friendly, and an abundance of high-quality apps. I think the Surface Hub 2 is the safest choice of electronic whiteboard for any school, but I still prefer the Vibe. Coming in number 1. Vibe 4K Smart Digital Whiteboard Pro. Vibe as a brand in the digital whiteboard space is, in my opinion, the best interactive whiteboard. They're the clear market leader when it comes to making smartboards, and their Smartboard Pro is excellent. This device basically functions as a giant tablet, uses their own custom operating system called VibeOS, and is designed with remote learning in mind with some pretty fancy, built-in security features. The Vibe Smartboard Pro is the perfect tool for remote collaboration, as it allows you to invite students to work together on a single document and work together on remote presentations. Content can be easily saved to and accessed from the cloud. Teachers can also securely access and administrate students' devices. Vibe gives you access to its own proprietary app store where you can download supported apps to your interactive whiteboard, but you can also enable experimental mode, which allows you to use the Google Play Store as well to download other apps. If you want the perfect interactive whiteboard to engage students who are remote learning, then I would look no further than this Vibe model.